Etsidis.
شكرا سيدة الرئيسة. يتحدث
Thank you, Madam Vice President. Aziz Kalo, a representative of our organization in Geneva. We are closely following what happens in Iraq. I'm referring to the Yazidi minority. Thousands of them are in camps, and they've been there since August 2014, when the Daesh group, ISIL, committed genocide against them. Many of them are still disappeared. Their whereabouts are not known. Turkey, with rebel Islamic groups in some regions, in particular in Afrin and in other areas, are targeting the Kurdish minorities, the Syrian minorities, and others. These minorities are abducted. They have Turkish imposed on them in the schools and even in the autonomous indigenous regions, in the Kurd regions and in other areas. The populations have had to be forcibly removed. They've had their belongings pillaged. The international community and confirmed this through the inquiry. Some Kurds, some Yazidis, have tried to find their way back, but that remains very difficult. Thank you.
Muchas gracias.